Welcome to Wonders of the Universe. Today, we embark on an epic journey through the cosmos. Imagine standing at the edge of the Milky Way, gazing into the endless sea of stars. The vastness of space stretches out before you, a canvas of twinkling lights and cosmic wonders. This is just the beginning. Our journey will take us to the farthest reaches of the universe, where the mysteries of existence await to be uncovered, from the birth of stars, in vibrant nebulae, where clouds of gas and dust come together to create new celestial bodies, to the cataclysmic power of supernova explosions, where dying stars release unimaginable energy, lighting up the cosmos in a brilliant display. Every corner of the universe holds a mystery waiting to be unlocked. Each galaxy, each star cluster, is a chapter in the grand story of the cosmos. Picture the serene beauty of distant exoplanets, orbiting their suns, each one a potential cradle for life, perhaps harboring life of their own. These worlds, scattered across the universe, ignite our imagination and our quest for knowledge, or the mind-bending phenomena of black holes, where time and space warp in ways we can scarcely imagine. These cosmic giants challenge our understanding of physics and reality. This channel is your gateway to understanding the universe. Through the lens of powerful telescopes and the minds of brilliant scientists, we bring the cosmos closer to you. We delve deep into the fabric of space, uncovering the secrets of the cosmos, exploring phenomena that have fascinated humanity for centuries, one discovery at a time. Each revelation brings us a step closer to understanding our place in the universe. Feel the awe as we witness asteroid collisions in slow motion. The raw power and energy of these events shaping the very fabric of space, the sheer energy of these cosmic events, bringing planets to life. From chaos comes creation, a testament to the dynamic nature of the universe. The universe is a symphony of wonders, and we are here to explore them all. Each note, each movement, tells a story of cosmic evolution and discovery. As we zoom out from Earth, see how small we are in the grand tapestry of space. Our planet, a tiny speck in the vast expanse, yet teeming with life and potential. Yet it is this very vastness that fuels our curiosity, our desire to understand. The more we learn, the more we realize how much there is yet to discover. Subscribe and unlock the universe. Join us as we venture into the unknown, seeking answers to the greatest questions of existence. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Together, we'll explore the endless wonders of the cosmos. Each step we take brings us closer to the stars. Until next time, keep looking up. The universe is vast and its wonders are endless.